So do you think boys should shave it down there? You know where?
किसी का बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, किसी का
it should suit them.
So, हाँ हाँ, I would just go with medium body hair, not with the extremes of it.
Not clean shave. नहीं, मुझे उतना clean shave नहीं चाहिए.
What's up?
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to a whole new episode of A Girl on Girl. मैं आपकी host Adrika Guha and we are back with another amazing episode. Today we are shooting at a very special place, that is City Center 2, with a whole new crowd. So come on, let's see how these people answer to our questions. Follow me. So the question for you guys is, do you think, especially for the girls, you guys prefer clean shaved people like men or hairy people?
Clean. I prefer.
I'm talking about body hair. Or jiska.
No
She didn't even listen to the whole question. No body hair direct.
Without body,
Why?
because I don't like body.
You don't like a body? Or you don't like the body hair?
I don't like a body hair.
Yes.
No, not like that.
Clean shave.
Majority clean shave. Not clean shave. नहीं, मुझे उतना clean shave नहीं चाहिए. थोड़ा सा medium. Yeah.
Clean shave. Clean, obviously clean.
Okay, so do you think men should really start focusing on like shaving and cleaning up more?
I think they should really start. Yeah, exactly.
Like chikna body, or they should have like manly, hairy body?
I will like a guy with some hunky types body, handsome. Yeah.
So if they have like chest hair and everything, is that okay?
No.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Body hair. Like, would you like a man without body hair or with body hair?
Without, obviously.
I would just go with medium body hair, not with the extremes of it.
थोड़ा तो manly होना चाहिए.
Clean shave.
Clean shave.
Less body है.
Less body hair.
Why?
अरे it looks sexy.
Sexy लगता है.
हाँ.
अच्छा नहीं लगता.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
What about you?
Same.
Same reason.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's very dirty.
Very dirty.
Yeah.
Some people but do prefer, manly.
Yeah, I know.
and everything.
Yeah, I know.
उनको नहीं अच्छा लगता.
No, I love that beard thing. I love, but not. No. Yeah.
मुंह में होने से थोड़ा manly लगता है ना. थोड़ा सा beard, normal beard.
What do you think? कौन choose करेगा? Like अगर competition हुआ तुम्हारे बीच में और एक चिकना बंदे के बीच में, who would win?
I know.
Girls prefer.
मुझे ही करेगी.
Oh my God, confidence right there. मुझे ही करेगी. So what do you think? Should guys shave it down there?
Like, can you pardon?
Should they shave it down there? You know where?
Obviously. I think they should shave. Yes.
Yes. वहाँ पे कोई जंगल में कोई मंगल नहीं.
I don't know.
क्या?
Maybe. You know?
Should, right?
Yeah.
थोड़ा hygienic सा हो.
Yeah. Actually.
Like I'm taking ideas from you.
No, I guess they should keep it normal.
Normal. You don't have any problem.
No, I don't have any problem.
Like equal rights kind of.
Yeah.
Even you won't.
Because keeping it normal actually makes sense. If they shave now, people shave and it looks very awkward at times. I have seen many guys.
I have seen many guys.
No. Yes, because they actually unbutton their shirt till here and then they roam around in the streets, but it looks very odd.
Should they shave it down there or they shouldn't?
I think it's clean.
Clean?
Yeah.
What about you?
Not clean.
Are you sure?
I think it should be clean.
Clean for hygiene.
Yes, hygiene.
Clean. All hygiene.
Should be clean, I think. Obviously.
Obviously.
हाँ. There must be. हाँ.
Yes.
Why do you think so? And why
That
would you
looks
prefer
much more sexy. I think so.
Okay. ये व्यू बता रही है अपना, इस एंगल से ये सेक्सी लगेगा.
I think ठीक ठाक लगता है.
ठीक ठाक. हाफ कट.
हाँ, half cut.
कट मारोगे तुम. What do you think about down there? You know what I mean?
No, I really don't get it.
Down there एक ही जगह होता है. Come on. Come on.
वो तो बाद में सोचेंगे.
बाद में अभी क्वेश्चन के लिए सोच के बता दो.
I guess keeping it normal will do.
Normal वहाँ पे. Very adjustable. I like her. What do you think? तुम अगर you're getting ready and if you're getting ready and stuff, तुमको क्या लगता है? What would you prefer? What would the girls prefer?
सोच के बताओ. Just imagine.
Imagine the moment.
I would also prefer normal.
Normal, sure na.
हाँ,
कुछ भी मिल
पक्का.
Okay, this is called level of desperation. What you said. कुछ भी मिल जाएगा, हो जाएगा. You think we should? You guys should?
I don't know.
I'm truly blank.
फिर भी body hair है, normal है, so you can like kind of think about what your girl might prefer.
It's a bit of hygienic, I think.
Hygienic.
Yeah.
What about you? What do you think?
Yes,
करना
of course,
चाहिए?
of course.
Of course.
It's their choice.
Their choice.
Yeah.
इसको problem नहीं है.
It's mandatory for me.
Why mandatory क्यों है? कहाँ है?
Kind of hygiene-
law में लिखा है.
Kind of hygienic factor. हाँ.
आपको hygienic कोई factor नहीं है.
No, I think it's their choice that they want to.
Equality and rights. See, this is feminism. Support this girl. That's all for today, guys. I hope you all had fun. And if you did, please don't go anywhere. Just subscribe to our channel right now. And of course, मेरे लिए कर दो यार थोड़ा सा. It will just take a minute. Just ऐसे button press कर दो बस. And if you have any suggestions, you can always drop the comments down below. We are gonna catch you up next Wednesday with another episode of A Girl on Girl. Thank you, guys.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up.
Fall in love with taking care of yourself. Mind, body and spirit. Fuck rest of the thing. Enjoy our video and subscribe if you haven't yet. And keep shouting what's up.